anybody who is interested in an amazing apartment that gives you everything, be it the amenities, be it the location, be it the beautiful Maivan construction, and also of course a trustworthy builder, this is the right project for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video by Zirix.com. Today I'm going to give you a tour of a brand new project. It's a luxury segment by Antriksh India Group and the project name is Central Avenue. This is bang on Subhash Chowk. Located in Gurgaon, bang on Subhash Chowk, Central Avenue gives you the perks of living in a very prime location जहाँ से आपको सभी national highways, state highways, expressways सब कुछ ही within the reach मिल जाएगा along with all the schools, hospitals, shopping complex. This location is something that everybody wants to stay at and make their lives easy, and that is why Central Avenue has come up with a luxury segment. यहाँ पे आपको दो typologies मिलने वाली हैं, 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs. That also comes with along with the servant quarters, and the 3 BHKs also comes with two different segments, servant quarters and a study room as well. Along with that, there is also a penthouse. I am very excited to tell you all about this project, about the amenities, the clubhouse and much more. So stay tuned till the end of the video so that we can explore the project together. Well, I'm sure our viewers want to know more about Antriksh India Group and what is their history. So let me tell you, they're spread across in 5 different states and they have delivered more than 50 projects. They're spread across in states like Delhi, Haryana, UP, Uttarakhand and Rajasthan. और उसके साथ ही साथ from last 3 decades they've been into the business, so they are quite trustworthy. And of course, जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा, more than 50 projects ये already deliver कर चुके हैं. So they have a lot of clientage as well. Along with that, let me give you some more information. They have taken zero loans or have taken no funding from any kind of financial sector, making them quite reliable as well at the same time. And along with that, they also have IGBC certificate in a land of 2.15 acres. This whole project, Central Avenue, is spread across in a land of 2.15 acres. यहाँ पर 80% of the area is green and blues, and along with 20% of the construction. Now I'm going to give you a tour of our 4 BHK plus utility sample apartment. Before I take you inside, मैं आपको और specifications बता देती हूँ. The square feet of this apartment is 3125 square feet. Along with that, they have in total 114 apartments in this project, जो कि 2 different towers में divided हैं. One of the towers has all the 4 BHKs plus utility. The other one has 3 BHKs, जहाँ पर और 2 typologies आ जाती हैं 3 BHKs की, 3 plus utility and 3 plus servant quarters. Apart from that, in the 4 BHK tower, you will have only 2 units per floor, and in the 3 BHK tower, you will have 4 units each floor. Now, let's begin and I will take you inside and show you the complete sample apartment. Welcome to our 4 BHK plus utility sample apartments. The moment you enter, you see a lot of foyer space. On the right hand side, we have our servant quarter, जो कि मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगी. Our first bedroom is here, which can also be dedicated to your guests. Moving further, सबसे पहले हमारा आ जाता है living area, beautiful living area that has a lot of sitting arrangement as well. Along with that, and you also get the view, you get a beautiful walking space as well along with that. Moving further, as you can see, there's a lot of sitting space as well. We have put our TV console over here if your guest wants to enjoy. This is how you can imagine your setup, but of course, आप अपना घर अपने accordingly interior designing कर सकते हैं. Moving further, we have our dining area over here. Having the dining area here right next to the kitchen makes it quite easy for anybody who's cooking to serve, and also people who want to enjoy a cool breeze. We have the balcony right next to it. We have the console right to the dining area as well to keep your crockery. We have this storage area. Of course, this is a part of the interior. It does not come with the possession, but this is to give you, all our viewers, an idea of how your home can look like in Central Avenue. I will show you the kitchen now. With the possession, yes, you do get the modular kitchen. Of course, we will have to remove the movable parts of the kitchen, but apart from that, you get everything, the soft closed doors along with the chimney and hub, and of course a lot of cabinets. We have a lot of storage space over here, and on the top as well, you can see we have created the storage space. Right next to the kitchen, we also have the balcony, जो कि wrap around balcony का एक part है, जो कि मैं आपको end में दिखाऊंगी once we finish the master bedroom. उसके बाद मैं आपको एक पूरा tour दूंगी how the balcony looks like, what kind of view you're gonna get, how wide the balcony is, and how many ways you can utilize it. Now let's move on to our bedroom number 1. This is how our bedroom number 1 looks like. With a full-size bed, it also has space for walking around, 2 side tables in the corner, and we also get the modular wardrobe, which you get at the time of possession. This is something that you are getting. Another thing that you get at the time of possession is the split ACs, जो कि हर rooms में living area में लगे हुए हैं, except the servant quarter. Along with the room, you get the attached washroom. We have a beautiful vanity right over here, the toilet seat, and the shower area divided by the glass. Well, of course, because the whole apartment has a wraparound balcony, so this room also comes with an attached balcony, attached washroom. I'll show you the balcony later. So stay tuned so that the excitement is still there, and I can show you the complete apartment, of course. Okay, one more thing which is very, very important about this apartment is that you get a lot of natural lighting in this apartment. 360 balcony की वजह से हर room में balcony है and हर room से आपको natural lighting आएगी. And along with that, they also have, this is a smart home, so of course with remote controls you can control your curtains, you can control your ACs and lights and everything else as well. And on top of that, one more thing that they have done is that they have used My One construction, which of course makes it a very premium and quality construction, something that you can trust on. This is our bedroom number 2, and bedroom number 2 has a similar kind of concept when it comes to the size, but when it comes to the interior, they have given it a little bit of change. Again, just to give you an idea of how you can design your home. With a full-size bed, space on both the sides for a side table, we have a fully modular wardrobe as well for his and for her. Along with that, we have the attached bathroom with a similar concept as the first one, with a vanity, a toilet seat, and a shower which is divided by the glass. Now we will move on. Now I'll show you the balcony. So for the living area, bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, we have one balcony over here. Of course, the balcony is connecting to all the other areas or the parts of the apartment, but in this section we have divided it. If you want, you can of course in future do the customization as per yourself. You can see we have the gondolas over here, and still there's a lot of space, there's a lot of walking space. Somebody who does not like to go downstairs for morning walk or wants to stay at home, they can have their morning walk over here as well. But this is not it. We have a bigger and beautiful balconies as well to show you in the other bedrooms. Moving on to our next bedroom, we have our bedroom number 3 right at the end of the apartment, but we also have a common washroom which is also attached to this bedroom. I'll first show you the bedroom. This one has a grey theme going on, along with the attached modular wardrobe, the washroom, and the balcony, of course. I'll show you the washroom. Now this is a common washroom, can be used by your guests, can be used by your family as well, because it has access from the outside as well as the inside of the bedroom. Similar concept is going on with the vanity, toilet seat, and the shower area divided by the glass. From here, I will take you towards our master bedroom, a beautiful and very huge master bedroom that has a lot of space in it. It comes with a wooden flooring along with the possession, a full-size bed as you can see, and still there's a lot of walking space. There's also space for your sofa if you want to put it here. We are giving you the split ACs as well. The amazing part is yet to come, which is the walk-in wardrobe attached to the bathroom in the master bedroom. Here we have the walk-in wardrobe for his and for her, and then the huge full-size bathroom. As you can see over here, we have a very beautiful and very huge vanity, very beautiful vanity with a lot of storage space with smart mirrors as well. Now, let me take you towards the balconies, finally awaited. With full-size French doors giving you complete access to the natural light this balcony is just absolutely mesmerizing. Why? Because just imagine things that you can do over here. You can have the access to the natural light, you can have a lot of ventility, you can enjoy sunlight, you can enjoy rain over here, you can enjoy your morning walk, you can just relax in your balconies. And who doesn't want a huge and full-size balcony which is also wrapping around your whole apartment? Now, starting from here, you can create different corners. You can have your coffees over here, you can have your snacks in the evening right over here. So as I said before, this is something which is just amazing. Now, this balcony, like I said before, is connecting you with the kitchen. This balcony is also connected with the servant quarter. Now, for the servants, once they enter their quarters, they will not have to use anything else but the balcony, making it quite also giving you a lot of privacy, right? So the servants can directly enter to the kitchen from here. Now, this was all about our 4 BHK apartment. I hope all of our viewers liked it. If you have any questions, queries, of course, you can reach out to us. But before we end the video, there's a lot more information about this project that we would like to share. When it comes to the activities, the USPs and the facilities that this project is offering to their clients is 18,000 square feet clubhouse that has all the amenities, all the world-class amenities, be it the swimming pool, restaurant, sauna, spa, library, indoor games and whatnot. You name it, they have all of that. Apart from that, when it comes to the outdoor activities, they have badminton court, basketball court, they also have walking tracks, jogging tracks, a kids play area which is both indoor and outdoor, gazebo sitting areas, mini theatre and so much more. You have to come and visit the site to see yourself. Apart from this, they also have much more where we have already talked about the activities that they are giving you. When it comes to the complete total height of the tower, in the basement they have the parking. And apart from that, it is stilt plus 20 when it comes to the 4 BHK apartment and stilt plus 19 when it comes to the 3 BHK apartments. And they also have, on the 20th floor of 4 BHK building, they also have a penthouse. How exciting that is. Anybody who is interested in an amazing apartment that gives you everything, be it the amenities, be it the location, be it the beautiful Maivan construction, and also, of course, a trustworthy builder, this is the right project for you. If you have any questions, any queries, anything that you would like to ask us, call us right now. The number is as usual down below. You can also share this video with your friends and family who are looking to invest in Gurgaon, especially in Subhash Chowk, which is such a prime location, giving you the access to everything, to all the major roads, to all the major schools, hospitals. Even the airport is only 30 minutes away from here. What are you waiting for? Contact us right now and we will make all the arrangements for you for this site visit. Thank you.